Hey, I'm Dr. Jenna Scare, better known as Doc Jen Fit, and today we're gonna do my favorite hamstring stretch that you can literally do anywhere. Essentially, you wanna be like going around your day, maybe you're grocery shopping, maybe it's the thing to get you out of your chair when you're at work and doing a little bit of mobility, because remember, mobility doesn't have to be complicated. If you can sprinkle it in throughout your day, you're gonna create better results in the long run and keep your body really healthy. So this is my favorite hamstring stretch. If you like it, make sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe so you don't miss out in the future. So this one is just going to be standing. Now, what a lot of people think of standing hamstring stretches is the forward fold, right? And doing this guy. Well, doesn't always work out so well because the back ends up rounding so much. You're trying to reach for the floor and you're kind of uncomfortable. And who's just going to really bend all the way down when you're grocery shopping or something like that? We'll do it a little bit more slyly than that. So this one, you're just gonna have your feet about hip width apart and you're going to unlock your knees. And then we're just gonna take these hip bones and literally dive them forward into your thighs, trying to open and extend through your back. So you don't have to keep a neutral spine. We're not deadlifting. We're not trying to pick up or load weight. We're literally just wanting to stretch the hamstrings. Okay, so I'm gonna take these hip bones forward and bum goes back, back is straight. As soon as you feel a stretch, you come right back up. So you don't even have to go far. You can even be getting something in the row and then get a good little stretch. Maybe the other side in the aisle. So there's always ways that you can do this mobility thing without it being really funky or looking or being really hard and taking much time. If you do 10 of these throughout your day, you're going to help to relieve that pressure in the hamstrings, which hamstrings connect into the pelvis. And if the pelvis is really having either it's open and you complain of anterior pelvic tilt, it's stretched and elongated all the time in those hamstrings, which also puts a lot of tension in the back. Or if it's tucked under and you're kind of like this all day long, then we're really tight in the hamstrings. So just opening up that mobility will help to relieve some pressure, balance out what's happening in that pelvis, and ultimately allow you to feel better. If you like this, try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any in the future of how you can feel so good within your body.